Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you want to change the time format on your WhatsApp app on your mobile device, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. We're going to convert it to the 12-hour format. You can do this on WhatsApp. You can do this on WhatsApp Business, and you can probably do the exact same thing on your desktop. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is jump into our device settings. Now, depending on what device you have, these steps may actually vary. So the best bet is going up into settings, looking for the search icon and typing in date and time. You're going to see your date and time options, and for me it's under general management. We want to go ahead and open this, and here it says date and time. Now there's two things you need to make sure of. The first thing is the automatic date and time. We want to make sure that this is turned on. This will allow supporting or third-party apps to adapt the date and time from our device. And then the second thing you want to go ahead and do is right at the bottom, it says use 24-hour format. And again, I will say that you may see this differently, but these are the options that you need to look for, and you need to turn this one off. Okay. You also want to make sure that the automatic time zone is on, and when you go into WhatsApp, you will have the 12-hour format. You can also go into your Play Store, dial in WhatsApp, and make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. This will eliminate any unwanted issues when changing your time format. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.